We're on our way to go get some burgers.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yep. Hi.
Do you need a menu?
No, I really just want to see, do you guys use oil on your burger patties, like on the grill?
On the grill, I'm pretty sure we do.
You do? Do you know what type of oil it is?
Let me ask them real quick.
They don't use any oil?
Okay, my apologies.
Uh-huh.
They don't.
Okay, well that's good. Can I get 3 large patties just by themselves?
Yeah, of course. Right? It's gonna be $11.20.
Do I pay you here?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, choose Mark. Can you roll? How may I help you?
Hi, can I get 3 large patties just by themselves?
510.
We're at McDonald's, our third restaurant.
This is McDonald's. So what can I get for you?
Can I get 3 large burger patties just by themselves? And that'll be it.
607, you're totally at the first one, please. Thank you.
Thank
See you
you.
tomorrow.
And get your receipt.
We're waiting right now at McDonald's.
The burger.
For the burgers. We're in the reserved spot.
And it's gonna take forever.
Hopefully it's quick,
Yeah.
but they do have to cook them up. Do you have any cow jokes?
Yes.
What?
What do you call a cow without any legs?
What?
Round.
Ground beef?
Yes.
Okay. You're crazy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Now we're at Checkers. Apparently they don't have a way to just do patties by themselves, and I'm not going to pay $16 for 3 patties.
Can we do that?
So, no, we cannot do Zaxby's because they don't have burgers at Zaxby's. I'm going to go to Wendy's and just ask them if they use oil on their grill. We'll see.
Can I have a order, please?
Hi, do you guys use oil on the grill before cooking the burgers?
We do not.
Okay. Can I get 3 of the large patties? Just the patties by themselves?
Okay.
And that'll be it.
414.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I guess they don't use oil on theirs. That's good. Thank you. Have a good one. Food over here. Now we're headed back home to try the burgers. All these burgers. Okay, so we're gonna do the Carnivore fast food burger only challenge. I did go to Checkers and we didn't get Checkers, obviously. It was $16. They were disqualified. $16 for 3 large patties because they didn't know how to take the patties separated from the bun and stuff, so they wouldn't charge me anything less. So that's
Yeah, definitely eliminated. $60 for free patties?
okay.
That is so expensive. That is so dumb.
McDonald's first. You can take the tray off from under it because there you go. Now it's the Whataburger.
What?
Better than McDonald's.
Is it better than McDonald's?
What?
I don't know why they wrapped it in this because they normally put it in the plastic, but I'm not mad about it, honestly.
Fancy.
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 The wrapper is not really fancy, but
It's called trees.
tastes like burger.
Oh.
Actually, Whataburger was the best one.
Really? Okay, sweetie. So, which one did you like best?
Whataburger. And then
First.
Wendy's,
Second,
Burger King, McDonald's.
third, and fourth. Was Whataburger really that good?
Try it and find out.
I will. So Brantley's gonna try McDonald's. Think about how it tastes. Give them smaller bites. That's like way too big. I mean,
What?
I pressed the like button because I like it.
Wait, finish chewing.
Finish chewing what you have first.
Danny, you're chewing. The burger dance.
Here, Braylon, you do the McDonald's too.
Okay, Braylon's gonna do
Is that
McDonald's too.
Whataburger?
Yep. You just gave him Whataburger.
That's yummy.
You like
Is it
Whataburger?
good? Two
Alright.
thumbs up for that. Okay,
Here
here's
comes
Burger King.
Okay. What else? Nah. Oh, nah.
Alright, Braylon. Whataburger.
Boom. I like Burger King.
Okay, and
Wendy's.
Wendy's. How was it, Braylon?
Good,
Burger
you
King.
guess.
Tastes roasty,
Roasted?
but
That one didn't taste good.
4 ups.
Okay.
So
Alright,
good. You
Braylon,
like it?
last one is Wendy's.
Wendy's. Brantley. Which one do you like the best? These four.
Whataburger.
Okay, so Whataburger's first. What's second?
Wendy's.
Wendy's is second?
Third,
Third?
Third.
McDonald's and Burger King.
McDonald's.
Which one?
McDonald's was third?
Yeah.
And which one was fourth?
Burger King, obviously.
Obviously, duh. I'm sorry.
My
Okay.
turn. First.
Don't look at theirs. Which one did you like first? The
Um,
best. Which one gets first place?
Burger King.
Burger King gets first?
Uh-huh.
Okay, which one gets second?
Whataburger.
Whataburger?
No, Wendy's.
Wendy's?
Yeah.
Okay. What about third?
That's Whataburger.
Okay,
And
and
then McDonald's last. Because it was cold.
I could have done
Kentucky.
third and fourth. Okay, now it's my turn. So I'm gonna use it for McDonald's. Burger King.
Suspenseful. Wait, you're not allowed to write yet.
Why? Where are you going?
Out here.
Oh! Daddy made fresh burgers. Is this the Angus from the farm? Okay.
This is
So
the
we're
next
gonna
one.
try. We gotta add that in.
I'll go first. Boom! It's yummy.
Is that
your
first?
No, that's my first one.
Excuse you?
Fifth burger.
Oh, wow. Yummy.
Okay, so wait. Did you think it was better than the other ones?
Burger King is better than the other ones. Burger King is in the trash now.
So what's the best burger here?
Daddy's.
Not this.
Yeah, not this. Daddy's hands down first. Then second, actually, I would say Whataburger. And McDonald's was third. Wendy's was definitely last. Burger King was fourth.
My number one is. I'm throwing Burger King into the trash now, and let me do it for you. No, Burger King is in the trash, and I like that.
Okay, so first for Daddy, and then we would just move this to second.
Whataburger is.
Then that would be third. Or
What
that
are-
would be fourth. And
What?
that would be fifth.
What
Sweetie,
is?
do you think yours is
What
better than
is
us?
the yuck?
For sure.
Yeah.
Of course he's gonna say yes first. The homemade burgers are from, the meat is from a farm that's local to us, about 3 minutes down the road.
Yeah.
And it's Angus beef, and it's amazing. It tastes really good. What'd you put in your, what'd you season it with?
Can't tell you.
You can! You gotta tell the peeps!
You gotta tell the peeps. You have to tell the peepers. You have to tell John.
Well, it was really good and definitely kicked all these to the trash. For 3 large patties from Whataburger, it cost us $11.20 after tax. McDonald's was $6.07 for 3/4 pound patties after tax. Burger King was $5.10 for 3 Whopper patties after tax. Wendy's was $4.14 after tax, and that was for 3 large patties. And our farm fresh 1 pound of ground beef made into 3 burgers, so that would be 1/3 of a pound. Yeah, that was only $6.50 for our farm fresh Angus beef burgers. So this was fun. All right, if you like this video, please
Like and subscribe.